UEI Test Instruments is proud to introduce the WPP1 wireless pressure probe and the WPC1 temperature pipe clamp. To connect the WPP1, press and hold the power button. The WPP1 will automatically look for the app when powered on. In the app, in the tool connection screen, the WPP1 can be found in nearby tools. Use the refresh icon if the tool is not available. Once identified, press and hold the tool until highlighted. Drag to either the suction or liquid box under the refrigerant side. Lift finger from screen to drop. The device starts reading once the WPP1 has been assigned in the tool connection screen. The app will remember this assignment until the user selects the X icon, forcing a disconnect. Next, connect the WPC1 pipe clamp. Plug the connection wire into the WPC1 handle. Plug the other end into the top of the WPP1. The WPP1 transmits readings from both probes to the mobile device. Color stickers are provided to label your probes to either the return or supply. Once set up, tap the home screen to return to the default refrigerant side. Here, these two probes provide in-app refrigerant side calculations for suction and liquid, line pressure, line temperature, vapor, and liquid saturation, superheat, and subcooling. Tap the white tank icon at the top of the screen to access the refrigerants list, where users can choose from 44 refrigerants. By tapping the star icons, users can add or remove refrigerants from their favorites list. Returning to the home page, the tank icon in the center of the home screen displays the current refrigerant selected. The WPP1 has a pivoting hinge, allowing connection access in tight spaces. The WPP1 also has a pass-through fitting, allowing users to connect directly without the need for hoses or adapters. This saves refrigerant and time. The WPC1 is a thermistor pipe clamp, which provides a better accuracy and response time than K-type thermocouples. The narrow jaw design allows users to get into narrow pipe lengths. The WPC1 also has a unique spring design that makes for easy opening and closing while still providing a firm grip on the pipe. Support for the hub probes is as close as the question mark button on the menu bar. From there, users can access the manual, online product page, or UEI's customer service. The WPP1 and WPC1 are backed by a 1-year limited warranty. The WPP1 and WPC1 are available in the Hub 4 and Hub 6 kits.